Happy Tuesday, everybody. Okay, so we are in the workshop today and we've got two interesting little beasties. We have a Juniper switch and we've got a Versa CSG 1300. Now, I had to look this up actually. So this has come out of one of the world's largest, most famous search engines. I'll let you guess who that might be. You are looking at, well, what is it? Okay, so it is a Versa CSG 1300. Yes, so basically it's an SD-WAN device. SD-WAN appliance cloud service gateway. So what have you got? Okay, so looks like we've got some console connections there, and we've got a 1 gig uplink, 10 gig SFP uplinks, and not quite sure what's under there. Let's have a look, shall we? A little SD card maybe? Or maybe actually that could be a SIM slot there. You've got 4 10 gig ports, 8 PoE 1 gig ports, and that looks like a little uplink module there. 4 fans, 2 power supplies. I think that's actually been exported out of the UK. Not quite sure exactly where, but anyway. This is that one actually. That went end of life 2015. This one went end of life 2016, and as you can see, it's been beautifully refurbished. So what's the score with this? So we have got here, so that's a 48 port SFP switch, Juniper switch. Now, what do I know about these? Okay, so there are 8 different flavors of these. 8. This is so. You can't switch the airflow on these. These are hard designed for one airflow direction only. So sure, you could take these AFO fans and power supplies out there, but you can't just populate them with AFI opposing, because the motherboard will go, hang on a second, we're not happy. The airflow is going in the wrong direction. We discovered this quite a long time ago, but anyway, so you can have 2 different management modules. You can have RJ45 or an SFP management module in there. 2 fan modules, 2 power supplies. You can have AC or DC in there, and then forward or reverse airflow, which gives you 8 different bundles. But anyway, that one's going out as a service spare. Anything else interesting going on here? We've got, oh yeah, that's the C220 M5 platform. We've got another Cat 4500 going out the door, and we've got a lot of ITAD equipment going out the door, and some 2960 switches, 60 more of those. I think I might take 4 more. I think I might take a picture of those. Gotta go, see you on the next one, bye.